Okay, so for today's warm-up, we're going to do a very quick explanation of combining like terms and then distributive property. This isn't going to be in depth. This is going to be very quick. So first off, combining like terms is a lot like cleaning your room, okay? And so you think about your room and you may have, I hope you don't, but I probably do. You have clothes everywhere. You know, you probably have some trash, and you know, if you got your PlayStation game, you got your PlayStation games out maybe all over the place. And, you know, your mom comes into your room, oh my gosh, you know, get this room clean. So, you know, and that's kind of what this is right here. So, you know, if your mom came and looked at what's on the screen right now, oh my gosh, you got A's and B's everywhere. And so what we're trying to do is we just want to clean stuff up. So we want to organize everything. And that's really all combining like terms is. And so the thing is in the same way you wouldn't put your laundry in the trash can, or you wouldn't put your, you know, trash in the laundry, you definitely wouldn't put your PlayStation games in the trash can. You know, you can only put certain things together with this. So when we're looking to combine, the way we tell what can be combined together is by the letters, or in this case right here, the lack of a letter. And so this right here, this term only has an A, so I can only combine it with something else that has an A. Now notice that when I underline this, I include the sign to the left. So the sign to the left always goes with this. So I can combine this 8A and this minus 2A, and I'm going to clean now. And cleaning is just simply doing 8 and then minus 2. So what's 8 minus 2? That's 6. So that would be 6A. And so I've cleaned this up now. Okay, so we got to go clean up some more. All right, well, what else do we have? Well, I've got this minus 5B or negative 5B, and I've got a negative 4B, so both of those have B's. So now you may have to use a calculator for this, but the rule is if the signs are the same, so this is a negative and this is a negative, then we add and keep the sign. So I'm going to add 5 plus 4 is 9 and keep the negative sign. So this is going to be a negative 9B. And you'll notice a negative and a minus are the same thing. So I said negative, but I put a minus. So now we've cleaned this up. Oh, Mom is almost happy. So now we've got one thing left, and that's this 3 and this 2. Now notice you can't combine just a 3 with something that has a B or something that has an A. Okay, so this is something all to itself. But I can combine this 3 with this 2 because it also doesn't have a letter. These are called constants. And so 3 plus 2 would be a positive 5, so we'll put a plus 5. Now you always have to put a plus or a minus in between each term. Okay, so now this is done. We've cleaned. That's all combining like terms is cleaning up. I put all the A's together, I put all the B's together, and I put all the numbers that don't have a letter together. I've cleaned. All right, Mom, I'm going to go play now. Okay, so that's combining like terms. And then we have something called distributive property. Now, distributive property is here because if you remember PEMDAS, we always do parentheses first. And so when I see these parentheses, you know, you've been trained since you were little that, okay, well, we go do the parentheses first. The problem is I have something with an X and a number without a letter. Well, just like we just got through talking about, we can't combine these. Okay? They're not like terms. And so now I'm stuck. I can't do anything because I can't do the parentheses. So the distributive property helps us get around the parentheses. And so I actually do something, I draw what I call mountaintops. And so I draw these mountaintops right here. Mountaintops mean to multiply. And so what we're going to do is anytime we have parentheses, we have a number on the outside of parentheses, we're going to distribute it in, and we're going to do these mountaintops. So what this is saying is we're going to take 5, and we're going to multiply it, which is why I call these mountaintops. And mountaintops mean to multiply. So we're going to multiply it to this 3x. And so 5 times 3 is 15. So this gives me 15x. Okay, but I've also got something else in this parentheses. And so whenever we multiply in, we have to do it to everything. And so I'm going to take this 5 and I'm going to multiply it over to this 7 now. So 5 times technically negative 7. So 5 times negative 7 would make a negative 35, and the parentheses are now gone. Okay, and so that's the distributive property. It helps you get around parentheses when you can't actually work out what's inside the parentheses. Okay, so this is a short video, not as short as what I hope. If you need more in depth, I'll put some extra videos in that you're more than welcome to go watch. All right, good luck.